Alam ninyo, kung kami maghihiwalay ni Lisa, isa lang taong dahilan. Yung kanyang kalaguyo, walang iba yan. Ayan, yung nakikita niyo yung mukha niya sa itaas, yan ang suspecha ko.
Hi, Katanin. How are you? Okay, so this is my latest Marites. Big is out. No more chief of staff. No more nothing. Umalis na siya. He practiced stuff. Between you and I, he even tried to sweet talk Bong. Huwag mo na ako ikwento dito. Na parang kawawa naman siya. Ganyan yung pamilya niya. And Bong just stood firm and said, it's untenable na. I think you have to go. Mag-break ka muna to. And then bahala na ako. But yung guy was out na siya. So that's the end of that. Another thing that's been brewing is Trixie naman, nagwawala. Paying trolls, I'll send it to you, but don't say it from me. I'll kill you if you say patay ako. Okay, bye-bye. Love ya.
I love you. Nag-I love you kay Tony. Ulit.